So what before we ramp down, I did want to ask, so what's the most exciting project that you've led since you've been at Mazda?
Yeah, probably MX5. I mean, anything MX5 related is just automatically the most exciting to me.
Yep.
Yeah.
So when we did, we had the significant updates for 2024, where new headlights, taillights, refresh design, wheels, and I remember driving the old against the new, old being the 23 model against the new 24 before
Mhm.
I think before we had announced it. But there were some steering feel improvements, really see the changes. And that was just so fun. I mean, it's like moments like that for me as a car guy that I'm like,
Mhm.
ah, this is just the best.
They
Just getting to drive cars.
they just dropped it off at your house and said, "Here, drive
Well,
it."
at that time, I was actually I lived in California.
I see.
So I've been back and forth to Virginia a few times, but I was in California. So yeah, I just went into the R&D office, and that was, half the day was driving those cars, and that was probably the most exciting, and that followed by the 35th anniversary MX5.
That's right.
Um,
That's this year.
that was this year, yeah.